This is how you create a list on Google Sheets. This is super easy. Take a look. First, you create your values that will be shown on the list. Value A, B, C. Then let's suppose that you want to create a list on the cell B2. Choose from the list. And then here you go to data, data validation, add rule, select the criteria, drop down from a range, and then here you select the range. Okay, and now for each value you can select a color, and this is optional. Click on done, and then there you go. Here you have your values. If you liked this tip, follow for more.